First game, first match for our NCAA. It's University of the North versus Set Binil. First five on Set Binil.
Bautista, Gonzalez, Donaire, Derecho, Bendigo, Milan.
First five on University of the North. Augustine. And yours live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. And our official referee for today is referee Mark and referee Apatan. First five on University of the North. And first five of University of St. Benil. All game. First position of St. Benil. Nice to Milay, short. Now rebound on University of the North. Oh, troubling violation, troubling. First turnover of University of the North. Now Donaire. Pass to Punsalan. Now Punsalan. 40 to shoot. In and out. Rebound on University of the North. Uy. Nice pass. First shot. Nice. Oh! Miscommunication of University of the North. Still our score. 0 all. Punsalan, drive. Punsalan, in and out. Rebound again on University of North. Nice drive. Side step, pass, steal. 14 to shoot. In and out again. Drive, side step. Too strong. Punsalan, rebound, foul. Foul on number 14 on University of the North. First on University of the North. First personal foul on Kalaykay. Now Donaire. Perocho. Bang! Easy jumper by Perocho. Now 2-0. First basket, first jump on Perocho. Bang! One shot, now 2 all. Now Perocho. Donaire. Punsalan. Oh! Bang, bang, bang! On Punsalan. 5-2. 3-point lead on St. Benil. Layag. 10 to shoot. Whoa, what a move coming from Layag. It's 4-5. 1-point lead on St. Benil. Perocho again, Perocho. And we're live on the Facebook page. Punsalan, same spot, pay. Punsalan, drive, corner, pass to foul. Foul on number 8 on University of the North. Second team foul on UN. Perocho, escape, 10 to shoot. Malay, Bautista. Nice pass, steal again by UN. Foul. Foul on number 8 on Punsalan. First on Punsalan. First team foul, St. Benil. Layag. Uy. Short. Rebound on Malay. Steal again. 14 to set clock. Too strong. Rebound on the blue shirts. Yes, now 6 against 5. 1 point lead now on University of the North. It's 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Donaire. Pass to Bautista. Punsalan. Perocho. Perocho drive. Perocho. Whoa! Alam mo, coming from Perocho. It's 7-6. Back to 1 point lead on Centril. Layag. Layag. 8-7. 1 point lead back to UN. 6 minutes. This is our first game, first match for our NCAA Season 4 by Basculista. Donaire, pick, block. Rebound again by Layag. Now Layag. Nice pass outside. Now turnover on UN. It's 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Donaire, Perocho, drive, Perocho, block, Perocho, stop. Perocho again, fake, Perocho, foul. All on number 10. On Uy. 13 foul on University of the North. First personal foul against Uy.
Sir, patay mo tayo pag ano.
Basket timeout tayo na ba? Basket timeout. 8 all. Basket timeout. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. In and out. Rebound on UN. Steal by Perocho. Perocho passed outside. Out. Time out. On University of the North. It's 8 all. 5 minutes and 28 seconds.
Kaya nga.
Sabi? Pablo? And our official referee for today is referee Mark and referee Apaton. And this ball game is brought to you by Color Sports, Basketballista, and Carrefour, Abu Dhabi. Punsalan, 10 to shoot, 10. Air ball.
Uy.
Nauy. Traveling violation, traveling. It's 5 minutes. Still up by 8 all. Perocho again, too strong, rebound again on UN, Layag, will setting a play, Layag, now, still on Perocho, 1-1 with Layag, foul, foul on Layag, warning for penalty on UN, 4 minutes and 40 seconds, 8 all our score. Donaire, Malay, too strong, Layag rebound, Layag, nice to Oy, also goes, Oy! Now 10-8, 2-point lead on University of the North. Malay, 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Perocho, attempt, back to Punsalan, 10 to shoot, foul. Foul again, Anoy. Penalty up.
Uy, second.
Second personal foul against number 10, Anoy. It's 4 minutes, 13 seconds. Short. 10, 8, 2-point lead on UN. Now, 1-point lead back again to UN. It's 10 against 9. Uy! Too strong. Foul. Foul on number 11. Penalty up. Penalty.
Para na panganis.
It's 4 minutes. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Short, 4 minutes.
Hindi mo ba titawag?
Now 10 all. Second deadlock of the game, Layag. Whoa! One move now, 12, 10. 2-point lead back to UN. Tonight. Tupunsalan. Perocho, 14 to shoot. Wow, save ball. Now it's 3 on 2. 3 on 1. Pass, contra goal, short. Di ba may layag? Yes, now 14 to 10. It's 4-point lead on UN. 3 minutes and 15 seconds.
Maribela yun, number 14.
Rebound, top. Now Malay. Dun, Punsalan. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! All Punsalan. 14 to 13. 1-point lead on University of North. Layag. Still again on Pirocho. Stepping on the line on Pirocho. 2 minutes and 40 seconds for our first quarter. And this is our first game. Layag.
Uy.
Too strong by Uy. Punsalan. Steal. Whoa! Now 16 to 13. 3-point lead. Back to the UN. Donaire. Oh, basic move coming from Donaire. 16 to 15. Layag. Uy. Favorite shot. Short. Rebound by Perocho. Now Perocho. Move. Perocho drive. Left-handed drive. Donaire. Donaire. Yo-yo mo. By Donaire. Now 17. Against 16. It's 1-point lead back to San Benil. Banganin. Too strong. Rebound by Bautista. To Perocho. Punsalan. Same spot. Air ball. Rebound by Uy. Loose ball. It's 1 minute and 29 seconds. 1-point lead on San Benil. Donaire, 10 to shoot. Bautista. Punsalan. 5 to shoot. Foul on 16 on Layag. Second personal foul against Layag. (18 to 16). 18 against to 16. Now 2-point lead on San Benil. (19 to 16). 1 minute and 15 seconds. And still we're live on the Facebook page. Ang Pascal Polista, 14 to shoot.
Nice, Rex! Oh, yan na, pinilit!
Now Perocho.
Okay, walang tawag! Ngayon, walang tawag!
Tap. Uy. In and out. Uy again. Short. Nice fake.
Ayun.
Black. 14 to shoot.
Layag.
Short. Layag. Oh, time out. On San Benil. It's 18. Against 19. Only 1-point lead. San Benil.
Ayun nga. Wala.
dalawa.
Inisip ko rin na kukuha ka eh.
30 seconds, 30. Set pinil ball.
So, kayo kanina, di ba? Kayo kanina, kayo.
Kalay kay mga nip.
30 seconds.
4.
Donaire. Back to Punsalan. Pirocho. Too strong. 20 seconds. 15. Wow. Foul again on number 16 on Layag.
Layag third.
Third personal foul against Layag. Now team penalty.
This is him.
Two free throw shot on number 8 on Punsalan. Short. 11 seconds, 11. Now 20, 20. 10.
Money. Kalay kay.
In and out, Malay. And now for first quarter score, it's 20 against 18. St. Vinyl. Second quarter ready, second quarter. It's UN ball, UN. UN ball, UN. Blue ball, blue.
Dador Francisco Bautista Quiñones. 11 naman din. 11.
Second quarter. Rebounding Paras.
Di Guzman.
Di Guzman. Nice bait. Short. Paras. Bait. Paras. Di Guzman. Block. Get to shoot.
Pandupay.
5.
Paras.
Oh! What about Paras is 20 all. Now Francisco. Quiñones. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Quiñones. Now Di Guzman. In and out again, Riban Almarello.
Dador.
Now Dador, Aparador. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On the door, Aparador. 26-20. Now Di Guzman. Paras. Kanilbad Francisco. Di Guzman. Big Di Guzman.
Oh!
Steal again. Foul. Foul on number 27 on Di Guzman. First on Di Guzman. First team foul on UN. Francisco. Quiñones agad. Short.
Pandupay. Pandupay.
Now Paras. Yun na, triba ng Quiñones. Now, kinadabla. Turnover again on St. Vinyl. It's 8 minutes. 26 against 20. Only 6-point lead by the green shirt, St. Vinyl. Now, Di Guzman. And too strong. Rebound on the door, Parador. 1-and-1. Drive. Block. Nice defense. So, Pinilabyo. Paras. Nice move by Paras. Fake. Paras. Drive. Paras. Guarded by. Still by Almarello. Amarillo. To Francisco. Tadora Parador again. Too strong. Quinones, 28. Against to 20 is 8-point lead. Set Pinil. Now, Di Guzman. Paras. 10 to shoot. Air ball. Tadora Parador. Now, Dador. Francisco. Amarillo. 10 to shoot. Hey, drive. Quinones. Nice block. 5 to shoot. Yes, on Amarillo na 30. Against to 20. 10-point lead on Set Pinil. Di Guzman. Hey, Paras.
Ano po yun? Pandukiyo.
10 to shoot. Whoa! Size up shot. Now 22 to 30. 8-point lead on Set Pinil. It's 6 minutes and 20 seconds.
Bang, bang.
Too strong. Rebound on.
Kapapa.
Now Di Guzman. It's 2-on-1. 3-on-1. Paras. Paras drive. Paras. Short. Quinones.
Push na doon.
Now Dador. Parador. Side step. Rugonia. Too strong. Rebound on to foul. Foul on number 11. On number 12. Time out on University of the North. It's first team foul on Amarillo. First on Set Pinil. 30 against the 22. 5 minutes and 55 seconds on our second quarter. And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Now, Di Guzman. Back to Di Guzman, Paras.
Bernabe.
Short. Rebound against the North. 14% set clock. Di Guzman. Air ball. Karang. Quinones. Steal. Ow! Rebound ng Amarillo. Francisco. Pass to Amarillo. Yes, so Amarillo na 32 to 22. It's 10-point lead on Set Pinil. Foul on Quinones. A warning on Quinones for delaying the game. Guzman.
Taas, taas, taas.
Paras. Side step. Karang. Black. Stepping on the line. North, UN ball. UN. 14 to shoot. 4 minutes and 50 seconds.
Yan, laro pa ni Kadere.
Short. Oh! Di Guzman. 24 to 32. Same ball. Same ball. 4 minutes and 40 seconds.
Box out, box out.
8-point lead on Set Pinil. Tador, Parador. Wobbling violation. Nice defense on UN. Now, Di Guzman. Paras. 14 to shoot. Short. Paras again. Out to strong. Karang. Out the door ang Parador. Now the door. It's 3-2. The door short. Rebound on Paras. Still by Francisco. Short to strong. Now Paras. It's 2-2. Paras. It's blue ball, blue.
Nice rep, nice. Balik ka muna, rep. Balik ka muna.
Di Guzman.
Box out tayo, box out!
Paras. Karang. Black. Amarillo. Short. Top by the door. It's blue ball, blue. It's blue ball. Now, Paras. Bernabe.
Pandupeo.
Pandupeo. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Pandupeo. 27-32. It's 6-point lead. On Sentinel. 5-point lead sa Sentinel. Amarillo! 34-37 foul. Foul on Bernabe. Second team foul on North. Basket not counted. Basket not counted. It's 32-27. Only 5-point lead on Sentinel. 10 to shoot. It's still on Di Guzman. Di Guzman, it's 2 on 3 on 2. Guzman, Paras. Still again by Cadora Parador. Francisco, escape. Francisco, Yoyo, foul. Foul again, number 17 on Bernabe. Second on Bernabe, 13 foul. On University of the North.
Sino tayo atin?
Ate na?
Sino tayo atin?
Kanina? Sen. Dini.
Wala ka tayo atin.
Now 33-27, 6-point lead on Sentinel. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Di Guzman. Bernabe. Still on the door, Parador. Now still again. Amarillo, foul.
37.
Foul on number 37. Grand time out. On Sentinel. Warning for penalty on University of the North. First on Karang.
Sabi mo, pag-shoot pin yung time out ko nila.
Ha?
Yung pag-shoot pin yun. Lagay mo dito yung time out para malaman natin.
Ito nga time out nila.
Dito kanina first quarter, what mo nalagay?
UN.
Oo, palagay first quarter din yun. Pwede ka dito, first quarter na yung first quarter. Time out sila, UN.
UN.
Yan ang first quarter. Yun. Lagay mo lagi.
Kaya nga, pati yung horse nilalagay ko naman.
2 minutes and 33 seconds. Francisco. Back to Francisco. 14 to shoot.
Aywa.
Short. Karang. Now Paras. 1 and 1. Paras. Still a penalty. Quiñones. Amarillo. To Francisco. Foul. Foul on number 37 at Karang. Penalty. Second personal foul against Karang. 2 minutes. Now 34 to 27, back to 7-point lead against St. Pinil. Amarillo, 14 to shoot. Quiñones, in and out, Paras. Whoa! Now 29 to 34, back to 5-point lead on St. Pinil. Santoro Parador. Francisco, 14 to shoot. 1 minute and 36 seconds. Back-to-back turnover against Paras, fake. Karang. Strong move. Yes! On Karang, 31-34. 3-point lead San Benil. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Kick ball, 14 na set sa clock, 14. 1 minute!
Cutter, cutter. Cutter, cutter, kita.
58 seconds, 58. 10 to shoot. Still again. By North. It's 3-on-2. Guzman. In and out. Top. Paras. It's green ball. 41 seconds. Francisco. Too strong. Foul. Foul on number 11 on Amarillo.
19.
Down, no foul, last shot.
Second team foul on St. Benil.
Wala.
25 seconds. Karang. Wow! What a move by Karang. 33-34. 15 seconds. 10.
Last day. Bang, Mark.
5. Block. And up our second quarter, our score is 34 against to 33. Only 1 point lead on St. Benil. Hindi nakalaro sa inyo. Action.
May utang ako. Parang doon ka lang. Ito na lang mo pala sa record niya. Pandirig lang. Okay, di pa ganit lahat. Wala pa. Unang quarter pa lang. Narado mo yun.
Third quarter. It's St. Benil ball, St. Benil. Defense on University of the North.
11 lang kayo? 11?
Third quarter. Unsalan. Piracho. Short. Rebound on Layag. Whoa! Alam mo na 35-34. 1 point lead now on UN. Short, Panyulere. Piracho. Fake. Looking for Unsalan. 10 to shoot. Rebound again. Now Layag. Side step. Short. Rebound on Time to shoot, 10. Blocked by Perocho. 9 minutes. Imbarga, Perocho. Short. Libanagan by Layag.
Ha? Ayun siya dito.
Jaradol.
Jaradal.
Nice.
Oh! Pass coming from Jaradal. Now 37 to 34.
Teradal. Yan.
Imbarga. United. 14 to shoot. Bautista. 10. Imbarga. In and out. Rebound again on UN. Now Layag.
Bukor.
Nice.
Short. Punsalan. Now Perocho. 1 and 2. Perocho goes to coast. Perocho. AC shot. Coming from Perocho. It's 36. Against the 37. Back to 1 point lead on University of the North. Jaradal. Layag.
Pick.
Again in and out. Now Punsalan. Do Imbarga. Donaire. Imbarga. Block by Layag. 14 to shoot. Imbarga 10.
Donaire.
Nice move. 1 and 1. Drive. Foul. Foul on number 7 on Perocho. First team foul on Seth Pinil. First personal foul on Perocho.
Bigay ng big pre. Chat.
6 minutes and 50 seconds. Perocho. Foul. Puspalat. Foul on number 16. Time out. On the University of the North is third personal foul against UN. First
Layag third personal foul.
on third personal foul against Layag. And this game is brought to you by Color Sports, Basketballista, Seth Pinil, and University of the North.
Kaya Layag, tatlo na kay Layag.
Walis kayong bag mo eh. Walis kayo. Iwan ito eh. May pagdaan na pag wala.
Ang bago.
Second game, San Sebastian.
Layag.
Layag.
Ito ka muna. Kunin mo yung pera.
Nice. Mababa.
38 to 37.
Kunin mo yung
Harap.
bigay mo kay Ahmad. Kay Ahmad. Kuha na kay Ahmad. 950. Hindi.
Loose ball.
Kunin mo yung pera ni Richard. Tanong mo kung kano bigay mo. Kunin mo lahat ang pera.
Sige. Nice.
Bang, short.
Kunin mo kano bigay kay Richard.
Yes! Now 39 to 38. It's 1 point lead on UN. Donaire. Perocho.
Ano ba isa?
Pwede.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Time out! On set inning.
Rep. Rep. Pangilang shot yung tatlo. Pangatong shot sila. Pangatong shot, dalawang tres, dalawang dos. Tama?
Isa lang yung tres nila eh. Isa lang.
Dalawang dos.
Now our score is 44-38. 6-point lead on University of the North.
Richard Lavarian.
Richard yun ako. Wala, Labarios. Ito na yung si Richard yun. Yung maliit. Mendoza.
Yung naka-red, yung naka-eyeglass.
Pero ako siya din.
Yung panda.
Ito puti. Yung puti, oh. Parang yung si Richard. Naka-uniform na ko.
Ayaw.
Rin mo yun.
Yung naka-adidas.
Oh, yun ako yung blue uniform mo. Yun, oh.
14.
Oo. Puti. Teka na magkano yun.
It's 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Now Layag.
Hey!
5 seconds, 5 minutes.
Chat. Nice!
Oh, get out. Tiragal. Stop. Punsalan. Now Punsalan. It's 3-2. Punsalan. Foul. Foul on Tiragal. Substitution left sub. Second team foul on University North. Sub left sub. Now 39-44.
Kano binigyan?
Yan na lang, 1-5. Okay lang.
Hindi ko na.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! 47-39.
Kunin mo yung 400 ko ito.
Okay.
Kay...
Ahmad.
Ito yung 400.
Traveling violation, traveling. It's 8-point lead now on UN. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Guzman.
No, pueras ka din, Stilo! Ikot, kabila, ikot!
Sabay!
Steal. Now Perecho, all alone. Perecho got Perecho, 41-47. Back to 6-point lead on St. Benil. On North. Too strong. Short. Quinones. Perecho. Now Quinones. 14 to shoot. 10. Foul. Uspanet. Foul on number 14. Substitution left sub. 13 foul on North. Sub rep sub. It's 3 minutes and 24 seconds. Now 42-47, 5-point lead against North. Substitution left, basket substitution. Sub rep sub. 47-43, it's 4-point lead on UN.
Oh, nice. Pa.
3 minutes 3.
Nice work! Baba na! 975.
How much total?
975.
I'll give me 300.
Why 300?
Cost 200. This one now. I give prepared. Now I give you 500.
Papa!
How much you give me?
500.
500? Balance 500?
No, no. 1-1 balance. I give you 500 total. 300 then 200. Give me 300.
300 before?
No, give me 300.
Why? Why 300?
Because what?
3-point shot on Pinocho.
Next game, I'm with you.
No, no, because we finish already.
Huh?
Finish.
Sige, 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 akong bala.
Sige lang.
Go.
Ilaro nyo.
Ewan ko lang, ko lang.
49, 46 lang.
49 daw.
It's a 3-point lead on North. 2 minutes.
Ayan.
Too strong.
Wait, Ahmad.
Short. Tap. Rebound foul. Push ball left. Foul on Guzman. Sabi to sa left south. Warning for penalty on UN. It's 49 to 46. 3-point lead on UN.
Guzman second.
Second personal foul on Guzman.
Yes, apa?
And the shoot.
Oh no.
Block.
Yes, sige lang. Good, good. Tingnan mo eh.
Pirocho.
Bang bang.
Yes, on Pirocho now 48 to 49. 1 point lead on UN. Paras. Yes, on Paras now 51 to 48. Back to 3-point lead on North.
Tatlo lang yan.
Oh, dalawa!
Ow! Short! Guzman!
Oy!
Short!
Oy!
Big ball. Big ball. Same ball. 58 seconds.
May lamok na rin!
58 seconds.
Penalty.
Warning kayo, warning.
Nice! Oy, Travel!
Now 50 to 51. 45 seconds.
No foul! Nicely!
8. 14 to shoot.
Nice!
Paras.
Nicely, shotgun!
14 to shoot. 20 seconds. 14 to shoot.
Nice!
Wow! Basket count and one on the Guzman now 53 to 50. It's 17 seconds. Second team foul on Seth Pinil.
Sino nag-foul? 31?
Nice!
Wow! Foul on number 21 on Quinones. 13 foul on Seth Pinil. Second personal foul against Quinones.
Seconds lang, sir.
14 seconds. Ahmad. Paras.
Harap!
5.
Tuday! Post! Oy! Content daw!
Release. Not traveling. Release ball. 56 against the 50. Our score 6-point lead against North.
Pare, alas 9 na.
Oh, ipadong naman.
Mangota dito po.
Lisod ko palong dito ng player.
Last quarter.
Ikunin mo na.
Hindi, punta po na lang dito.
Ikunin mo na yung jersey niya.
Wala pa nga yung safe.
5, 44, 4. Tama. Score mo. Score mo. Ako dito tingin ka. Kanina pa yun. Third quarter na tayo. Score mo.
56.
Last quarter. It's UN ball.
Kunin mo na bigyan
Wala may pera ka mabayad?
Bibigay mo na agad ha.
Sige, si Alcantara yun.
Oh.
Tumawag sa akin.
Tama, pambayad ka ng bahay yun.
Sige.
Layag. 14 to shoot.
Box out now, box out.
10. Short. Daldor Apanador. Now Pirocho. Nice fake. Pass. Turnover, nice defense against UN.
Pre, gamit screen.
Oh.
Now Daldor Apanador. It's 2 on 3. Daldor. Apanador. Foul. Foul on number 4 on University of the North. First team foul on UN.
Marbella.
First on Marbella. $56 to 50, 6-point lead on North. Marabella, Layag. Whoa! Time out! On set Pinir, it's 58 to 50. 8-point lead now on North.
Akin, Dor.
Bakit minsan 5 minutes para bago magpapan? Anytime?
Wala mga 5 minutes sa pa. Anytime.
It's 9 minutes and 6 seconds.
Kung
58.
14 to shoot. Short. Quinones, short again. Layag. Wagaling Venation traveling.
Nice D.
Our score, 58 against 50. Naoy. Black. Oh! 60 against 50. 10-point lead now against UN. Pirocho. Ow, in out.
Amarillo.
Foul. Foul on number 4. Second team foul on University of the North.
Marbella, second.
Second personal foul against Marabella.
ano binigyan?
Hindi po muna kayo na ibabaw na iwan. I-corruption ko. Harapin nyo.
8 minutes.
Babae, tatlo.
Basket substitution rep. Basket substitution.
Hindi kayo nakashoot eh.
Shot rep.
Diretso, susunod. Ang ibabaw. Diretso, ibabaw. Ibabaw. Hey!
Basket. Sub rep. Sub.
Okay. Ano ba?
Hawak lang, hawak, hawak. Hawak. Nice.
Whoa! Marvela now 62 against the 51. Pirocho, Francisco. Paras. Tukarang.
Balik.
Ang Tukarang. Black and Pirocho. Quinones. Yes, and Quinones is 53. Against the 62, it's 9-point lead on North.
Gamit oras, gamit oras.
Karang, going by Quinones, Black by Quinones.
Baba.
Now, Pirocho. Still by Karang.
Huli.
Sayo.
Top. Francisco. Pirocho, short. Now, Paras.
Tatlo. Wala nang bumaba.
Amarillo. Francisco. Foul. Whoa! Basket not count. Foul on number 37. Time out. On University of the North, is 6 minutes and 26 seconds.
37 karaan.
May band-aid ka?
Sakti na siya.
It's 13 foul on North.
Sila pagawa.
9-point lead on UN. Six minutes and 26 seconds. Initial set clock 14. Short.
Nice.
Yes, on Paras. 64 to 53. 9-point lead back to North. Fourteen to shoot. Foul on number 8 on Punsalan. It's first team foul on St. Pinil.
Punsalan second.
Second personal foul against Punsalan.
Zero po tayo, isang coach lang tayo. May bench tayo po.
14 to shoot.
Nice. Venga.
Short.
Ikot.
10 to shoot.
Ikot.
Top. Francisco, 5 to shoot. Whoa! 66 to 53. It's 13-point lead on North. 5 minutes. 14 to shoot. Quinones, 10 to shoot. Foul.
37 karaan.
Foul on Karang. Warning for penalty on North. Number 4. Foul on number 4. Warning for penalty on North. Substitution left sub.
Karaan second.
Number 4.
Ha?
Number 4.
Number 4. Number 4. Marbella third.
Third personal foul on Marbella. Now 54 to 66. It's 12-point lead on North. Amarillo. Quiñones. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Quiñones.
Huwag may pasigaw para ni number 27.
10 to shoot. 3-second violation on number 17. It's 4 minutes and 12. Paras. Short. Bernabe. Block. Short. Bernabe again. Substitution of sub-rep. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Sub-rep sub. 9-point lead on North.
Pasok, pasok, pasok.
Ayun na.
Dolor. 3 minutes and 34 seconds. 14 na set clock 14. Ten. Traveling very shift traveling. Sub-rep sub. Foul. Foul on number 10. Penalty, penalty. Sub-rep sub.
Oy, third personal foul.
Isa. Isa pa tayo nila. Dalawa.
Dalawa?
Dalawa.
Dalawa?
Hindi tayo natin.
Minashoot nila yung pangalawa.
Oh, isa lang kanina, unahin.
Dito.
Basket substitution net. Basket timeout. Basket timeout.
Anong dito nga kanina, di ba? St. Benil.
Tanong sila.
Hindi ko alam.
Timeout on North.
St. Benil nga, dinanong nga kita, wala pang 5 minutes ka ako nga, di ba?
Kung mga time out pa sila.
Wala pa nga.
Sila wala.
Wala. Isa, kanina first lang.
It's 66 to 58.
Thank you.
Hey. Nice steal by Quiñones. Quiñones to Donaire. Paras. Ball, substitution himself, 2 minutes and 28 seconds.
Kita pa lang.
Foul. Klarong kasi.
Okay. 14 to shoot.
Dador.
Yes, on the door, open the door. 60 against the 66. 2 minutes. One minute and 50 seconds. 5-second violation. Substitution. Stop. Substitution up. One minute and 50 seconds.
Shoot na.
Yes, San Peracho. 62-66. 4-point lead now against North.
Kailang.
14 to shoot. 10. 5 to shoot. It's Sentinel ball. Sentinel. Substitution reps up.
Sama na tayo.
Minuto.
Timeout on Sentinel.
Wala nang tayo outside din.
It's 1 minute and 15 seconds. 66 against the 62. It's Sentinel ball. Sentinel.
115 oh.
It's Sentinel ball. Sentinel. Jump ball. Sentinel. Fourth quarter ball is North.
Ikot natin. Alis yan doon.
10 to shoot.
Gitna. Sa ilalim.
Short. Layup. 1 minute. Foul. Foul on Layag. Warning on Layag. Penalty left. Penalty. Fourth personal foul on Layag.
Take time ha. Dalawa. One possession na lang yan oh. Take time. Alam ko yung magic bullet eh, si Boots.
55 seconds. 55.
Sila. Mga free throw eh. Isang attempt lang.
Iyo.
Tawa.
One pa sila, one.
Violation. It's North ball. North.
Tatakbo yan, sir. Baba na, sir.
Baba dalawa.
Tatakbo yan. Nice.
Foul.
Penalty.
Foul on Amarillo. Second team foul on Sentinel. Second on Amarillo. Second team foul.
48 seconds. Gamit kayo oras ha.
Pasok sa loob, ha?
Oh, huli.
Foul. Foul on Quinones. Third team foul on Sentinel.
Gumamit kayo yung timeout kanina. Oo. May isa pa.
Isa lang nagamit ko.
Isa pang timeout.
Third personal foul on Quinones.
Isa lang, pre. Sure ball.
39 seconds. 39.
Zero po tayo. Isa lang dito.
Sure ball.
39 seconds.
Ito.
Baba!
UN.
Sabi.
Go the door.
Oh! 30 seconds.
Dribble.
Kaya na natin.
23 seconds. 14 to shoot. Foul.
Nice.
Foul on number 27. Warning for penalty on Sentinel. 17 seconds.
Timeout.
Time out on University of North. It's 17 seconds.
Out sila, di ba? Balik sa 24.
17 seconds, 17.
Pusin nyo na yan. Eh, baba ka pre, baba. Pre. Pre.
Huwag kayo mag-receive sa ano, gilid.
Malapit
Tara yan, dito ka.
Yan, tatakbo sa'yo yan ha, sa ilalim.
Yan.
Short. Pirocho. 10 seconds. It's 6 seconds. 6 seconds. 5 seconds. Penalty na, penalty.
Yes, baba. Dalawa.
Out on number 11.
Penalty na.
Both teams have no timeout. Both teams no timeout left. 5 seconds. 66. Red. Penalty red. Both teams penalty.
Dalawa. Pre. Dalawa. Pre. May time magpatawa?
5 seconds.
Kinabahan na si Bird, kinabahan na. Libre na eh.
Walang tatawa na.
67, 64. 5 seconds.
Guzman.
No foul, no foul.
68, 64.
Depensa lang. Depensa.
Yan, sige, ayan nyo lang.
Basket count is 67, 68 in only 1 point lead against University of the North.